Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, choose Connections and tap on More Connection Settings. Finally, tap on Printing section and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Then you can choose Default Print Service right away and wait for your device to connect, or disable it, go back and choose Download plugin instead. Now get the best print service for you, in my case HP one. Wait for it to download and select Back button twice. After that, select your new printing service and wait again. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!